My name is Hanah Jon Taylor. I am a musician. I play saxophone, flute, and wind synthesizer. And I'm also history instructor at Madison Media Institute in Madison, Wisconsin. I believe that I was strongly inspired by a number of musicians, but I believe John Coltrane is probably the main source of my inspiration as an instrumental artist, as a saxophonist, as a player. I had an opportunity to play with Richie Havens when I was a young musician in college, and Nina Simone. Had the opportunity to play with the Miles Davis Band once. And also with Dizzy Gillespie and Arturo Sandoval in Cuba in 1986. There are some musicians that I consider to be great teachers, great artists, who the world may never really know about in the mainstream. I've played with great European musicians like Antonello Salis, the great pianist. I've played with many great musicians from Chicago like Steve McCall, Raphael Garrett, who played with John Coltrane. There are some moments in music that, just like in life, you will never be able to duplicate or forget. And when I think of those moments, I think of those artists that I just named to you. I presently have, I believe, 4 albums under my name, and I'm on about 12 other albums. I have toured throughout Europe, Scandinavia, northern parts of South America, throughout the Caribbean, Asia Minor. I believe my most favorite place to be, I would consider the south of France, in a little city called Montpellier. It's about 15 kilometers away from the sea, and I always love visiting Montpellier. I have great friends there, and if I ever come up missing, maybe that probably wouldn't be a good place to look for. Well, what's next for me is today. To get through this day, being the best man I can be, being the best musician I can be, best teacher I can be, best father. You do it one day at a time, and you wake up with the idea that that's what you should be doing. So that's what's next for me.